Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Just a quick reminder before we get started to please do like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. It's like today we're doing number 214. So let's start with this box here. Looks like we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 4 and 8 here, so this is our 7, and 8 there, so 4, 8. For this box, looks like we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here and an 8 here, so our 8 has to be here. Don't see any other help. So 6, 9, 6, 9. For this row, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got the 5 covering both of these boxes, so our 5 has to be here. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. That 6 makes this our 9, 6. For this row, looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 3 here and a 2 here, so this is our 1. We've got a 2 here, so this is our 3 and 2. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9 and 1. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got a 4 here and a 4 here, so our 4 has to be here. I don't see any other help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. But for this column now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here, so this is our 8, 2, 8. For this column, we're missing a 2 and a 9. Again, we've got the 2 here, so 9, 2. For this column, we're missing 3 and 5. I don't see any help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. If we look at this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got the 8 here and the 4 here, so this is our 3. We've got the 8 here, so 4, 8. For this column, looks like we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 2 and 3 here, so this is our 5, a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 4, 6, 4, 6. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got 2 and 7 here, so this is our 5, a 2 here, so 7, 2. That 5 makes this our 3 and 5. For this row now, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got a 1 and 9 here, so this is our 8. A 1 here, so 9, 1. For this box then, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 5, 3 here, so 4, 5, and a 5 here, so 3, 4. For this column, 1, 2, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 3 and 7 here, so this is our 5. That 5 makes this our 3, 7. That 3 makes this our 4, 5. For this box then, we're missing 3, 4, 6, and 9. We've got a 3 and 6 here. So 4, 9. And again, the 3 and 6, but here we've got a 9, so that makes this our 4, 9. That 4 makes this our 6, 4. And we were still missing a 3 and 6 here. We've got a 3 here, so 6 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. I hope you're having a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.